Hello everyone, I am Helen. This is my second video in continuation of my first video lesson on Unit 1 Lithosphere Endogenetic Processes. I hope you enjoyed our Unit 1 class. I invite you now to this class to explain some other topics. Plate tectonics. The lithosphere is divided into a number of huge slabs of rocks called tectonic plates. Collisions of these plates produce mountain ranges and other irregular surface features both on land and the ocean floor. This phenomenon is called plate tectonics. The movement of tectonic plates is due to a thermal energy from the mantle. Types of boundaries. Convergent boundary. Here the plate moves towards each other and sometimes a plate sinks under another. The location where the sinks of a plate occurs is called a subduction zone. Example, fold mountain Himalayas. Divergent boundary. Here the plates pull away from each other as magma pushes up from the mantle. Example, Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Conservative or transform boundary. Here, the plates slide horizontally past each other. Example, San Andreas Fault. Moments of continental plates. Due to lateral compressional forces, the plates are forced to move upwards and downwards. This is called folding. Mountains formed by folding are called fold mountains. The process of folding creates lofty mountain ranges such as the Himalayas and the Alps. According to plate tectonics, the plates are in constant motion with an average rate of few centimeters per year. The movement might seem slow, but over millions of years, the plates and the continents ridging on them move a long way. Earthquake. What is earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden movement or shaking of the earth's crust caused by the rapid release of energy that is stored in rocks. Earthquakes are generally caused by the sudden vibrations in the earth's crust, which spreads outward in all directions as waves from the source of disturbance. The point of origin of an earthquake is called focus, which generates a series of elastic waves. Epicenter is a point on the earth's surface that lies directly above the focus. Facts about earthquake. Earthquakes involve the powerful movement of rocks in the earth's crust. The damage caused by earthquakes also depends on the depth and fault type. The most powerful earthquake ever recorded on earth was in Chile. Occurring in 1960, it had a magnitude of 9.5. It is important in earthquake countries such as Japan to build houses and buildings that react well to earthquakes. An average earthquake lasts around a minute. Earthquakes are mostly caused by geological faults but they can also be caused by landslides, nuclear testing, mine tests, and volcanic activity. What you must do on earthquake: drop down, take cover under your desk or table and hold on. Stay indoors until the shaking stops and you are sure it's safe to exit. Stay away from bookcases or furniture that can fall on you. Stay away from windows in a high rise buildings. Expect the fire alarms and sprinklers to go off during a quake. If you are in bed, hold on and stay there, protecting your head with a pillow. If you are outdoors, find a clear spot away from buildings, trees, and power lines. Drop to the ground. If you are in a car, slow down and drive to a clear place. Stay in the car until the shaking stops. There are three major types of waves. Primary or P waves are the fastest of all the earthquake waves and the first to reach the epicenter. These waves pass through solids, liquids, and gases, either through push or pull with an average velocity of 5.3 km per second to 10.6 km per second. Secondary are S waves travel only through solids. These transverse waves shake the ground perpendicular to the direction in which they propagate. Surface waves or L waves are similar to P waves but they travel primarily along the ground surface. These waves travel comparatively slower and are the most destructive waves. Next topic is tsunami. What is tsunami? Tsunamis are giant waves caused by earthquakes or volcanic eruptions under the sea. The word tsunami is a Japanese term meaning harbor waves. It is adapted to describe large seismically generated sea waves caused by earthquakes, submarine explosions, and landslides. These waves travel at a great speed and the length of the waves exceeds 600 km. These waves reach to height of more than 15 meter near the seashore and are capable of causing destruction along the coastal area. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake that caused tsunami is the sixth deadliest natural disaster which traveled at a speed of 600 km per hour with an estimated death toll of 280,000. Facts about tsunami. A tsunami can be generated by a giant meteor impact with the ocean. About 80% of tsunamis happen within the Pacific Ocean's ring of fire. The first wave of a tsunami is usually not the strongest. Successive waves get bigger and stronger. If caught by a tsunami wave, it is better not to swim, but rather to grab a floating object. A tsunami travels at speeds of around 500 miles per hour, which is similar to the speed of a jet airliner. A tsunami wave does not break like a regular ocean wave. The wave period of a tsunami ranges from minutes to hours. Here are some exercises for you to do. Okay, that's all this video. We will meet you in the next video. I wish you all the best and for healthy life. Thank you.